There's a creature out there. He hides amongst thousands that are similar to him. But he is not your ordinary, everyday mythological creature. He flies among us. We must pursue him and bring him down. This is Roscoe. I first saw Roscoe when I was checking out the local loaf. I noticed something different when I saw this bird take to the air. His entire left wing from the elbow down is white. His chest has a broad white stripe that goes across it. It is the true epitome of a Quill Lake goose. Truly a trophy bird, a once-in-a-lifetime bird. And all we have to do is follow his flight path, get underneath him, and capitalize on our opportunities. This is the story of whether we can do that or not. This story will take place over multiple videos to come. But let's see if we can get it. Alright, we just got the decoy set up. It is our first day of chasing Roscoe. We know he's here. We know he's around this area. We got about 25 dozen decoys set. We're going to take a look at the spread first, and we're going to get ready. Let's see if we can get him. Good, and you gonna shoot Roscoe today? So we're like 20 minutes from shooting time. Like I said, here with the GoPro. Make sure I got everything going good. These things are gonna do it last minute again. It sucks. We kind of figured it was gonna happen, but give her a go. Little post-hunt wrap-up as we're getting these decoys put in the trailer. I think we got 10. Roscoe did not show up. He's still out there. I don't think he left the roost, or not the roost, the loaf this evening. So, I mean, we're gonna have to get after him again, because, man, he's definitely our hit-less bird, but things just gotta align at the same time. We're not gonna predict his flight path right every night, and I think we just missed it tonight. But we still managed to scratch out 10. Got them finished pretty good on one group. One of them we kind of made a decision, pulled up a little late on them and stuff, but it is what it is. We'll get back after them again. What's up, guys? Day 2 in our hunt for Roscoe. We just got the decoy set. We had a little bit of a confusion this morning. We thought we were going to go to one field, and we ended up coming to this one. This is a much better field to be able to hunt Roscoe in. I think there's a legitimate chance that we're calling at him, trying to work him in. It's a little bit of traffic. It's worked in the past. We're in a really good spot, really good hide. Got a big spread out. Hopefully we'll get him. All right, so we're set up right over here is where Roscoe is. Sitting on a pond up over there, and we're sitting on his flight path right now. He should come over those trees, and with any luck, he'll come shooting down in here. All right, so day 2, we just wrapped up the hunt. The flight's over. We did not see Roscoe, and I made a rookie mistake and went off and left my SD card from my GoPro at home, so we don't have any actual footage of birds working. We did manage to scratch out 11 Canadas and 1 snow, so hopefully Roscoe will stick around until next weekend. We'll keep eyes on him, and we'll get him then.